Russian President Vladimir Putin has announced that first serial SARMAT heavy ballistic missiles have also been delivered to the troops and soon they will be operational in combat duty. The SARMAT ICBM has ability to bypass modern missile defense systems and has longest target destruction range globally. Turkey has conducted a successful test of the Çakır cruise missile demonstrating its capability to engage targets with precision from the Bayraktar unmanned aerial vehicle. Moreover, its real-time mission flexibility enables route updates, target changes or mission cancellations during flight. Indian Navy is set to enhance its operational capabilities with the induction of 6 MH-60 Seahawk helicopters on March 6. The acquisition of these multi-role helicopters will significantly enhance maritime reconnaissance, anti-submarine warfare, and search and rescue capabilities of Indian Navy. The U.S. Air Force has conducted the first flight of its XQ-67A off-board sensing drone, equipped with signals intelligence systems, weapons bay and infrared and electro-optical sensors. It can relay data of enemy activities and locations with Allied manned fighter jets while in flight.